Apply the lifting perm solution onto the hairs in a brisk circular motion, brushing the hairs upwards for an even coverage. Ensure that the plastic wrap is tightly secured around the area and left for about 5 to 8 minutes for better results. Afterward, remove the solution gently without hurting the hairs and apply the fixing, neutralizing solution on the brows in the desired direction. Utilize a makeup sponge or brush to shape and map the brows according to your preferences if necessary. Cover the brows with the plastic wrap again and left for another 5 to 8 minutes for even better results. Follow up by gently removing the solution, cleansing the brows, and apply nourishing oil or keratin to restore and hydrate the hairs. Depending on your preferences, you may also trim or tint the brows for a more polished finishing touch. In summary, take the necessary steps to implement the proper uplifting or perming solution. Brush the hairs upwards,